Hey guys, this is Charlie Montgomery here with Charlie's Quick Tips. This is a Dewalt 20 volt brushless framing gun. This gun packs a punch. I do residential remodeling, and I can't tell you how many times I drug out the air compressor, the air hoses, the framing gun, just to do a small project. And this gun, all you gotta do is just grab it out of the truck, grab a battery, and then get it done. It's just really, really quick. Well worth the money. This gun right now on Amazon is running about $310 for a bare tool and around $380 for, a battery charger and the carrying case for it.